Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in this video, I am gonna make a beautiful girl sitting near mushrooms and beautiful flowers. So before starting the video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share to others so they can watch as well and learn how to draw this beautiful drawing. So come on, let's start. Collect all the materials you need for this contact. So use a pencil so any mistake that happens you can erase it easily. So I am start drawing with her face. Now I am drawing her dress and I am gonna color it after. And look, I erased it easily where I made a mistake. I'm gonna outline it after. Here I'm drawing some beautiful heart-shaped flowers. So it's gonna look more prettier and beautiful. It looks amazing from right now. I'm making her eyes. This is a fairy sitting on the mushrooms and beside it are flowers. Isn't it beautiful drawing? But I'm still drawing it. She's a bit small, that's why I'm drawing flowers beneath her as well, down as well. And I'm gonna make two mushrooms, one she is sitting on and one she is not sitting on, she's just looking at it. Now I'm making the other mushroom that she is looking at. I am finished drawing. Now let's outline it and then color it. I was using the color brown for her hair first. It looks like black. Now I'm starting to outline our pretty fairy. I'm outlining her wings because fairies do have wings to fly just like birds. I am outlining. You can make someone else sitting here as well, like a boy sitting, a boy fairy, or you can make some butterflies surrounded by a girl, but I'm making flowers. These dots took a while for me to outline, but it was okay. Now I was coloring her dress pink color. I like the color pink, and if I do the color pink on everyone's dress, they look so beautiful. Now I am coloring the flowers rainbow colors. This one is gonna be red, then orange, then yellow, like a rainbow. I'm doing red on the bottom as well and on the top flower. This is the color orange, but I wanted to make it beside the color red, but I thought it would look a bit more rainbowish, so I did it over here. This purple color looked like blue, but it is actually the color purple. This is the color teal. It looked like green, and you guys think it is the color blue or something like that, but it is actually the color teal. And this is the color green, lime green. Now I am coloring the mushroom the color red because I like the color red, and it looks good on the color on the mushrooms the color red. So I made the mushroom the color red, and it looks good actually. The other mushroom, I wanted to make it the color red, but I thought it would look same, so I'll make it orange. And it looks a bit same color, but it's orange. And brown for the branch of it. I wanted to color it the full color like full blue, but then I thought the wings are actually white, so I did it like beside sides, and I made some dots around it as well, just for details. I thought it would look pretty, and it did look pretty, just like I thought. I'm making this red mushroom's branch the color green, and on the bottom brush, I'm making it light green. You can write Happy Mother's Day, Happy Birthday, these kind of things, but I made it for my best friend, so I am writing for my bestie. It's for my best friend, so for a short name, I'll write Bestie. and I underlined it. Then I colored it rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. You can give this card to anyone you like your sisters and friends for their special day. And at the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share to others so they can watch as well. Goodbye!